Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just been busy, haven't been able to catch up on a lot of people's videos just here and there. A lot of times I'm driving listening to them, and a lot of times I can't hear. But I'm temporary laborer on a cattle farm, and I am loving it. I'm building a chute. The regular guy has got some medical issues going on, so I'm filling in for him. Probably be about a 2-month deal, and I love this up here. And let me show you what I get to drive every day. I get to drive this John Deere, that bush hog on it, and I lightly scraped a bunch of not blueberry, but blackberry and redberry bushes. Now I've got a little bridge that I have to go over, so I'm trying to fix it. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button.